Hello again. Just read an interesting article on USA Today. I'll attach the link. You're not going to have to look for it. The title, Chicago Court to Hear Case to Knock Ted Cruz Off a Ballot. I got a question. Why just Ted Cruz? Why not little Marco Rubio? We know neither one of his parents were American citizens. So why just Ted Cruz? Anyway, the article starts off, a Chicago judge will hear arguments on Friday, which is today, an Illinois voter alleging that Republican presidential hopeful Ted Cruz is not a, quote, natural-born citizen, end of quote, well, nor is Marco, and should be disqualified for the party's nomination. Lawrence Joyce, an Illinois voter who has objected to Cruz's placement on the Illinois primary ballot next month, will have the case heard in the Circuit Court of Cook County, Chicago. Joyce's previous objection made to the State Board of Elections was dismissed on February the 1st. He appealed the decision and was granted a hearing for Friday before Judge Maureen Ward Kirby. Now, even if the judge rules that Teddy wasn't eligible, Teddy would appeal that decision, and this would drag on and on and on. What it also says in the article is that Grayson, who's a Democrat out of Florida, and he's told reporters that he will file a lawsuit contesting Cruz if Cruz becomes the nominee. And there are others that will do the same as well. This whole thing is turning into a complete mess. So no matter what this judge, Maureen Ward Kirby, rules, not much is going to change. And again, the question that I have is, why isn't the other candidate on the ballot, little Marco, why isn't he being questioned for his eligibility, which is non-existent? It all comes back to the chosen one. If either one of these two ineligible are proven to be ineligible, it also proves that the chosen one was never eligible, which is why nothing will ever come of any of it. Sadly, that's what I believe. And you know why I believe what I believe. The question now is, what do you believe? The article will be attached. There's more that you might find to be of interest. Thanks for listening.